broke, yeah. Sauce, cracking seals, tryna bust this bitch open. I just put 1,000 grams on the scale, I think I broke. In my room, cracking seals, tryna bust this bitch open. She want me to fall in love, but I don't really think she know. And the nigga said he gangsta, he gon' really have to show. If I hit this shit again, they gon' fuck around and OD. Only cookie in my blunt, don't you pass me no OG. And there ain't no fucking runs, that's some bullshit you smoke. You can smell a purple punch in the air, that shit poking.
Oh, what's poppin', GE? Gang, it's your boy. Come on, don't hit my goddamn car, man. Come on. It's your boy Fuush, man. Hey, I wasn't even gonna pick up the camera today and record. I took a day off today, and I usually don't take days off. But they gave me the day off today, so I took the day off. But since I took the day off, I decided to pick up the camera just because I got a little package in the mail. And I think I'm gonna install what it is today. So I figured why not make a video since I'm off today. But right now I'm heading over to the screen printing shop. I dropped some sample shit off over there, and I want to see how it comes out. I'm gonna check on it, see if they're done, and see if they started, see where they're at with the process. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to get this merch situated to where it's some new shit. You guys seen the my last shit? If you've been watching all the videos, my God, you've seen where I spread out all the merch. You feel me? I appreciate everybody that copped some hoodies and beanies and hats and everything. I got some new colors I'm trying to come out with and shit like that. So that's what I'm going to check on, the samples. And if they come out the way I want to, then I'm gonna go with this shop for my screen printing and embroidery and shit like that. But we're gonna see. So that's where we're heading now. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record inside. It's a small shop. But if the owner lets me record, then I'll pick back up with you guys inside and show you what he got done or what he didn't get done, and I'll just show you the shop and shit like that. So I'm gonna head over there, and I'm gonna get back to you guys as soon as I turn this camera back on. Yay! All right, so I just got out the screen printing shop. Discussed a couple things. Changed a couple things, so it's looking good as far as the samples. So we'll see how they come out when they're actually printed. You know what I mean? So we talked about it for a little minute. Changed a couple things that I had before I dropped it off. So I think it's gonna come out a little bit better. Hopefully, if it comes out well, when everything is smooth and lines are perfect and all this other shit, I can get these things going. If not, you know what I mean? Because I'm not putting on no bullshit. You guys already know my shit gotta be top-notch quality, you feel me? So if it ain't right, I ain't gonna put it out my fine. We gonna fine tune it before I even put this shit out, you feel me? So that's it for that. But let's jump into this heat check, because you knew the heat check was coming, right? The last video I didn't do a heat check because that was supposed to be like a 10-minute video, and it was spare the moment, you feel me? But today we're doing a heat check, so let's get into it. Yeah. Alright, GE gang, I know you guys, hold on, I know you guys getting a little interruption. I know you guys want to get back into what the video's about, you feel me? I know you guys want to see what kind of mod little upgrade I'm doing to the car, you feel me? But first we gotta get into this, you already know, heat check! Yes sir, you feel me? You know, I got some shoes right here, you know what I'm saying? Now with my heat checks, I don't get all into the crevices of the shoes, what kind of leather, what kind of stitching, what kind of whatever the fuck, you feel me? I just basically show you what kind of heat I'm rocking with, you feel me, for the day or for the week or whatever the fuck, or just what's in my collection, you feel me? That's the basis of my heat checks, you feel me? I'm not gonna, my channel is not about reviews of shoes. No, it's reviews of cars and mods of cars and my cars and people in the city's cars, not shoe reviews. But we can do heat checks on here all day, you feel me? Because I got heat checks for days. So we're gonna get to this heat check today, and we're gonna see what you guys think about these. You guys already know. Hold up, before I even say anything. No, I don't say nothing there. Red bottoms, you feel me? No, not red bottoms, no. Anyway. Yeah! Bam! Yeah, yams! You guys already know. I told you one of my favorite J's are threes. And what do you guys have here? These are the Tinker Hatfield threes, you feel me? Yes, sir. Tell me these things ain't hard. Tell me these things ain't hard. Haven't worn them yet, just like the last pair I showed you guys in the heat check. Haven't worn them yet. This is one of those shoes where I feel like I gotta have 2 pairs of these. Cause you know what I mean? When you got the white bottoms, I mean, these are kind of red bottom right there. But when you got the white, you know what I mean, on the midsole, I hate getting that dirty. But if I had another pair, I wouldn't mind as much. You feel me? But I love, bruh. Check out the stitching right there, though. Tell me that stitching ain't hard. I love that stitching on there, man. I love the fucking Nike on the back of there. I love the color combo, the red, the grays, the blacks. That's all me all day. But yeah, this is a 3. One of my favorite J's, 3s. I told you guys that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you guys have these 3s, if you guys have the beige ones, if you guys have the all black ones with the little yellow or gold on there. Let me know if you got the Tinker How to Feel 3s, you feel me? And yeah, this is gonna be it for the heat check, man. I told you I don't get it deep into all the BS of, yeah, this little thing right here, man. There's a little tip right here, the little elephant print right here, yo, we ain't doing all of that, man. It's just a heat check showing you what I'm rocking today. You feel me? And that's about it. So pause. Yes, sir. Let's get back into the video, man. I know you guys want to see what I got put on the car. It's a little something slight, but you know I gotta put that content out. You feel me? So let's get back to the video. Yes, sir. All right, G gang. Let's get into what this video is about. I'm in the garage. Let me show you guys my new shop light. Cause last time I made that video with the LED with the halogen to LED swap I did on the light was kind of all dim. But as you look at this lighting though, yeah, look at this lighting. Check out, look at that, bro. Yes, sir. Boy, that's the LED light right there. LED shop light. Where I can move them up. I can move them down. It has 3 little boards. Yeah. Now you see. Yeah. Yes, sir. Now that's that light for your ass, boy. All right. So let's get into what this video is about. So as you can see. You know what I mean? I got my little 300 gang projector light coming from the LED. Coming from the door. My LED projector door ghost lights. You feel me? And if you look back here, you know what I'm saying? All you guys are LED light. You know what I mean? No decal, no logo, nothing. You know what I mean? Ain't nothing wrong with that, but you know what I'm saying? We gotta change that today. We got to put the ones on the back today. That is the mod. That's the mod today? I don't know. Yeah, that's a mod. I'm gonna call it a mod. That's the mod. That's what we're doing today. Anyway, we're putting the back door ones on. So I'm not gonna drag this video out. Let me get to it. I'm not gonna record it because you guys know how to take out the little lights in front of the door. Just simple. You stick a little flathead screwdriver in there, push forward, pull down, and pop out the lights. Pretty simple. So let me get to it and I'm gonna get back and show you guys what it looks like because it's a little bit different than the front, you feel me? You guys see what I'm talking about when I get back to you. Yeah, just like that, we are back. That took less than 5 minutes. So I'm gonna turn off the shop light and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, you feel me? Because it's a little bit different than the front like I already told you. So let's turn off this light, man. Yeah. Oh, there we go. All right, so just a little recap. You know what I mean? We got look at that blue. Look at that shit hard. We got the blue door projector light in the front. Now, what do we got for the back, my nigga? Yes, sir, nigga. We crip in the front, nigga. Crip in the front, blood in the back, nigga. Crip in the front, blood in the back, nigga. Yes, sir. Now check this out. No gang affiliation, you feel me? But I am from South Central LA. Just know that. I do got family members that are Crips and Bloods. You know what I mean? 68th Street, South Central Los Angeles, you feel me? But yeah, sir, I wanted to switch it up and not just do the blue all the way around. You feel me? I want to do the blue and the red just to make it different, man. Cause I feel like everybody just gonna have, when they get them, they're all gonna be like either do all red or they're gonna do all blue. So I decided to switch it up. We're gonna have blood in the back, crip in the front. Period, point blank. Yes, sir. Man, quick little easy mod, you know what I mean? Run up in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about that little joint. Let me know if you think I should do it. I should have done it all blue or all red. That really doesn't matter because I did the way I want to do it. You feel me? The way I want to show off my car at nighttime. You feel me? You know what I mean? So run up in the comments and make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, share. Make sure you browse the channel. You feel me? I got more than the video you just sat here and watched. Go browse the channel. Look at all the other videos. I got plenty of content. I got plenty of content coming. Now, there's a car meet coming up February 16th. The first one in the city that I know about. So I can't wait to go out, get that content, be around more cars. I feel like that's going to be a fire video for you guys, you feel me? To see other cars out, to take the squad out, you feel me? And go rep for the 300s if we the only ones, you feel me? So, yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share for sure, 1,000,000 times, and like the video. I need 100 likes on all my videos for now. When we get bigger, we can go into more hundreds and thousands, but at least give me 100 on all my videos for now, please. Thank you. That's gonna be it for this video. I got some business to handle today. Definitely finishing my 22 goals. We're definitely hitting the gym today. I don't know if I'm gonna record that. I might. Content, why not? You feel me? That's YouTube life, feel me? Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, man. We're gonna get out of here, nigga. You quick you blood, nigga. No, we ain't neither, nigga. We just YouTubers, nigga. Yes, sir. We gone. Yes, sir.